I'm here at the RYA Dinghy Watersports Show 2023 with David Brown of Harken UK, and we've got the Zircon blocks here. Now, originally these started out when you made the GP main sheet system, and they're the blocks within that, and they've developed a bit further from that. Can you tell me a bit more about the blocks and where the history came from?
Yeah, quite right. So the GP Cat main sheet system that we've developed over the number of years has multiple sheaves in it with multiple 180-degree loops. So because of the size of that system, you need a very efficient friction-free or frictionless system. So the Zircon sheave was developed for that to assist with the multiple elements of that system. So what we've then done is tried to take the elements of that system and actually now start to put it into a block.
And Zircon, these are ceramic blocks, and the name comes from zirconia?
Yes, correct. Yeah, so the actual ceramic material, slightly longer name than that, but yeah, basically zirconia is the material, so Zircon was the obvious choice for the block.
And these blocks, what advantages do they provide?
So the ceramic of the ball bearing, the ball bearings are actually encapsulated in the sheave. So the ball bearings don't ever touch. The benefits of that are that you don't get any slip. The ball bearings never touch each other. So what you're able to do is you lose less energy for friction. So the overall feel of the block is much more efficient than any other block on the market. In fact, it's the most efficient block that Harken have ever made.
One of the people always do on stands when they see a block is spin it.
Yep.
And people say that's not the kind of thing you're supposed to be doing with a block. You're allowing people to do that.
With this block, it absolutely is. It's all about the spin on the sheave. And if we did it now, we can. The sheave will just keep spinning and spinning whilst we're talking. It's still going and. So that is the beauty of it. Sailing is all about feel. We talk about it when we're feeling the rudder. So why not now move that into the block? You're looking at pressure changes. Now all of a sudden you've got a block that's so smooth, it's so light, it's so easy to feel the line in and out. It's just the next evolution.
And so this friction, very low friction system, what kind of applications is it most suited for?
So it comes in a varied array of applications. Anywhere, as we've just discussed, where you want to feel changes. So jib sheeting. I've got colleagues that have tried this now on their main sheet system, where actually they're able to, because of the low friction, able to pull their main sheet in easier and further. So anywhere where there is high-end friction on the boat, that is its application. If you've got cascade systems, the last 2 or 3 blocks in the cascade, all they're doing really is providing friction. So you would drop this block into there, and all of a sudden you are then making that system far more efficient.
And how's the feedback been so far from the sailors?
Feedback's been very good. The block has been in trial for a long time now. So at the performance end, the feedback has been brilliant. What we're now trying to do is we're now trying to create a block that is more applicable to and accessible to everybody in the market. So feedback's been good. We've had the block here on display at the show for the last few hours, and it's had loads of interest. So yeah, we think this is a great product.
Well, David, it's great to see Harken innovating and trying to make things friction-free, as much friction-free for sailors as possible. Thank you for your time.
No problem at all. Thank you, Mark.